Today, we're installing the Lomanco Universal Flat Tile Roof Vent, models UFT107 and UFTWUI. To begin, measure and mark a 7-inch by 19-inch ventilation opening. Center it between the layout lines and on a roof tile in the preceding course. Set your blade depth to the thickness of the sheathing to avoid cutting into a rafter. Next, apply an approved sealant to the bottom of the base vent, focusing along the outside edge of the flange for a secure, weather-resistant seal. Attach the base vent to the roof sheathing using 10 locally approved fasteners. Space the fasteners evenly along the flange to ensure a firm fit. Now, seal the base vent to the underlayment using one of the following approved methods. Prime and use peel and stick flashing. Apply 3-course mastic. Bib over with mastic. Or an approved underlayment membrane with mastic. Be cautious to avoid creating any ramp that could direct water over the raised lip of the base vent. Install roof tiles, leaving space for 2 tiles around the vent area. If necessary, seal the top cover to tiles with approved sealant in snow, fire, or hurricane areas. Use Class A if flame or ember resistance is required. Now, rotate the fastening straps on the top cover and slide its lower front lip under the adjacent tiles. Secure the fastening straps to the deck with 2 approved fasteners and apply sealant to the fastener heads. Apply additional sealant along the top cover's upper flange if necessary. To complete the installation, place the remaining roof tiles around the vent. That completes the installation of the Lomanco Universal Flat Tile Vent. Lomanco vents built for performance, built to last.